Want to speak real Chinese from your first lesson? Sign up for your free lifetime account at ChineseClass101.com.
你很帅 You're so handsome. Okay, the first phrase is 你很帅 In English, it means you're so handsome. Usually we say it to guys, to male. 你很帅 很 means very, 你 means you, 帅 means handsome. If you want to compliment your boyfriend or you want to flirt with one guy, you can say 你很帅 You have to say it with emotion. 你很帅 If you're a guy and nobody say it to you, it's okay. You can say it to yourself. 我很帅我很帅我 means I. You got it? 你真漂亮 You're so beautiful. So 你真漂亮 means you're so beautiful. You're so beautiful. 你真漂亮你真漂亮漂亮 means beautiful, means pretty. Usually we say it to girls. And it can be girl to girl or boy to girl or you can say it to yourself. 我真漂亮 we don't usually say that. 你很聪明 You're so smart. 你很聪明 In English is you are so smart. Sometimes it can be ironic. As like if you cheat in the exam, you can say 你很聪明 So it actually means yeah, you're very good at tricking. So what? So be careful the tone when you say that. 你很聪明你很聪明你很厉害 You're great. So the next one is great. 厉害你很厉害 means you are great. So it's very common. You can use it every day to different people. You can say it to your kid, to your brother, to your sister, to your friend. So for example, your friend passed the exam. Your friend got a new girlfriend. Your friend is on TV. You can say 你很厉害 or you can just simply say 厉害 with this. In China it means 厉害真棒 awesome. So next one is 真棒 awesome 真棒 Yeah, like this is so delicious 真棒 This restaurant 真棒 And we're going to Hawaii tomorrow 真棒 So you can use it not only for people but also for situation. It's very useful. Remember it. 真棒干得漂亮 Beautiful job 干得漂亮 Beautiful job. So your team got the first place in the competition. 干得漂亮 Your team player did a very good presentation. 干得漂亮 Beautiful job. 你的性格我很喜欢 I like your personality. 你的性格我很喜欢 I like your personality. 你的性格 your personality 我很喜欢 I like it. Or in Chinese, you can converse the order. 我很喜欢你的性格 Usually we don't say it to our boss or to our teacher, to our professor, or to our family members. Usually we say it to the people we like or the people you want to flirt with. 你的品味很好 You have good taste. 你的品味很好 You have good taste. Or you could just say 你的 sense 很好 I like your sense. You visit your friend's home and you like the design. You can say 你的品味很好 You have good taste in choosing the right furniture and very good design. 这件衬衫你穿起来很好看 This shirt looks great on you. 这件衬衫你穿起来很好看 So this shirt looks good on you. You can play with this sentence. You can say, this hat looks good on you. 这个帽子你戴起来很好看 Or you can say, this sunglass looks great on you. 这个太阳眼镜你戴起来很好看 So 很好看 is very useful part. Or if you don't remember, you don't know the Chinese word before the sentence, you don't know what's the Chinese word for the shirt, for the sunglass, you can just say, 很好看 Remember that, 很好看跟你在一起我总是很开心 I'm always happy when I'm with you. Okay, the next one is 跟你在一起我总是很开心 I'm always happy when I'm with you. So 跟你在一起 means I'm with you. 总是很开心 means I'm always happy. Or you can reverse the order. 我总是很开心跟你在一起。So you can use it not only while you're dating somebody or with your friend or even business situation. It's like I'm always happy when I'm working with you. So 跟你在一起工作我很开心，跟你在一起吃饭I'm having dinner with you. So you can use it not only in business situation or in casual occasion. 跟你在一起我总是很开心。
你今天气色不错 You look great today. 你今天气色不错 You look great today. 你今天气色不错哦 For girls, you can say like 你今天真漂亮 That means you are so beautiful today. For boys, you can say like 你看起来真精神今天That means you look great today. 你真棒 You are awesome. 你真棒 You are awesome. Chinese people like to compliment people, especially during the working or study. When you make a small progress, they will say some compliment like 你真棒 You are awesome. 你是对的 You are right. 你是对的今天真的下雨了 You are right. Today is really raining. 你是对的今天真的下雨了 You are right. It's raining. 干得漂亮 You did a great job. 干得漂亮 You did a great job. You are playing basketball and you got a goal. And your teammate will say, You did a great job. 干得漂亮我想你 I miss you. 我想你 I miss you. For I miss you, maybe you can use the very close friends and family member. But if you want to say I miss you to your teacher or your boss, you can speak like 我很想念您. And also this sentence is like just used for the letter. And if you want to email your teacher, you can speak 敬爱的老师我很想念您我给你带了些礼物 I brought you some gifts. 我给你带了些礼物 I brought you some presents. In China, if your friends invited you to their home for the dinner, if you want to keep the good manner, it's better you bring some gift. The present doesn't have to be very expensive, just like fruit and tea, it's okay. 月底发奖金 There will be a bonus at the end of the month. I think everyone loves the salary, is that right? And also in China, in the end of the year, during the Spring Festival, every boss, the good boss, will offer the employee a big bonus. We call it 红包你身材真好 You are in good shape. 你身材真好 You are in good shape. To be honest, guys, this sentence is really, really important. So please remember this. 你身材真好 Especially when you meet a girl, you can speak the first 你真漂亮 The second 你身材真好 That means you are beautiful and you're in good shape. The girl will be really, really happy. 你做得对 You did the right thing. 你做得对 You did the right thing. I think everyone wants to do the right thing, right? And someone will say, You are right, you did the right thing. It's great. 我有一个惊喜要给你 I have a surprise for you. 我有一个惊喜要给你 I have a surprise for you. Actually, sometimes when someone tells you, I have a surprise for you, you will imagine here, what kind of surprise? And sometimes it's really a surprise, a gift. But sometimes just your friends want to trick you. 你朋友想捉弄你 And your friends will offer you a little creature. 你的朋友会给你一个小虫子 My friends always trick me like this. 我的朋友经常捉弄我
Want to speak real Chinese from your first lesson? Sign up for your free lifetime account at ChineseClass101.com.
你好 Hello 你好 the most common way. First time 你好你好请多多关照 The more casual way to say 你好 is Hi. And just like this, you meet your friends, you can say Hey 去哪儿啊对不起 Sorry. Sorry. Could you tell me where is the toilet? 对不起请问一下厕所在哪里谢谢 Thank you. You like my video? 谢谢早安 Good morning. 早安早上好早晚安 Good night. 晚安 Good night. 太好了 Great. We will go into Hawaii for this holiday. Yeah! 太好了 Great. 哪有 That's not true. 雨婷 You are so beautiful. 哪有 I'm flattered. But in my heart, you are right, I'm beautiful. 加油 Go for it! When your friends raising for a competition, you can say 加油加油 Go for it! Go for it! Go go go! 放心 Don't worry. 雨婷 Today there is nobody can cook for our dinner. Don't worry, I got it. 放心吧包在我身上 Actually, I don't know how to cook. 干嘛呢 What's up? Hey, 老王干嘛呢一会儿去喝茶呀 What's up? You say you want to drink a tea with me? Okay. 好吃 Delicious. My favorite food. Baking duck. Do you like 北京烤鸭 Baking duck. 哈哈好吃 Yummy, delicious. 随便你 Up to you. 今晚我请客随便你吃什么 I will treat you dinner. What you eat is up to you. Yeah. 放弃 Give up. Please don't give up your dream forever. 请千万不要放弃你的梦想 Yeah, you can do it. 好的 Okay. Actually, in my generation, all the friends will say okay instead of 好的 So you can just use okay. But like this. Could you come here, please? 好的 Okay. Could you please help me pass this water? 好的 Okay. 没什么 Not much. And also for this phrases, and you can also use 没事的 It's like, thank you so much for your help. 没事的 It doesn't matter, it's not that much. And also like this, so sorry, I'm late again. 没事的 It's not that much. 我们走吧 Let's go. When you sit on the restaurant and you just finish it, and you can say that to your friends, 我们走吧 Let's go. 怎么样 How about it? It's beautiful. 怎么样你喜欢吗 How about it? You like it? 我想 I want. My watch is broken. I want to buy a new one. 我想买一块新表。没完没了 There is no end to this. I'm my mother now. Yeah, you must study hard, and then you can go to the good college. Then you can marry a good man. Then you can have a beautiful baby. Then your baby can go to the good college, and your baby can have a good marriage, and your baby can have a good career. 我妈妈说起来没完没了。我的妈呀 Oh my god. For my generation, the most common way is to say, oh my god. It's spicy? I will try it. 我的妈呀，好辣呀！Oh my god, it's so spicy! Ambulance， 救护车。好有趣 ，It's so interesting。It's so interesting， 好有趣。Come here, come here。肚子饿了 ，I'm hungry。怎么还不下课呀？肚子饿了 ，I'm so hungry。好撑 ，I'm so stuffed。I'm so stuffed， 好撑呀，吃太多了。Just kidding， 嘿嘿嘿。我喜欢 ，I like it。我喜欢一醒来有你在身旁。This sounds so romantic。再见 ，bye， goodbye。But most Carol way to say is 回见。回见了您嘞。
Want to speed up your language learning? Take your very first lesson with us. You'll start speaking in minutes and master real conversations. Sign up for your free lifetime account. Just click the link in the description.